Welcome to Mind Your AI. In 2026, you don't need a massive monthly subscription to build AI apps. Gemma 4 just changed the rules of the game for everyone in the AI space. Today, I'm going to show you why Gemma 4, a model capable of running locally on your laptop, is the final place for the $0 AI stack. Watch till the end to find out how. Gemma 4 is the first multimodal open weights model to hit GPT-5 level reasoning scores. Firstly, what are open weight models? To understand open weight models, you need to understand closed weight models. Gemini, GPT, Claude are closed weight models. They are hosted on the provider's infrastructure. For example, if you want to use Gemini, you need to go to Google Cloud and use their API key. On the other hand, open weight models are AI models where the trained parameters are publicly released, allowing users to run, customize, fine-tune, and host on their own infrastructure. And now, for the first time, Gemma 4 is available under Apache 2.0 license, which means you can practically build a revenue-generating business using Gemma 4. Why is Gemma 4 a big deal? It comes down to something called reasoning density. Think of reasoning density as intelligence per parameter. In the past, if you wanted a smarter AI, you had to make the model physically larger, more parameters, more memory. Google used teacher-student distillation method to pack the logic of their massive frontier models, such as Gemini, into these smaller models. You are getting the high-level thought process of a giant model in a file size that actually fits on your laptop. Think of it like this. There is a world-class master chef who has a massive kitchen and decades of experience. But they can't travel easily everywhere. They can't be everywhere. They identify a student, and instead of the student memorizing every recipe, the master teaches them the intuition and the shortcuts of cooking. By the end, that student can produce 5-star meals in a tiny apartment kitchen.
Now, apply even pressure as you roll outwards.
Like this? Oh, I think I've got it.
Excellent work.
That is exactly what Google did. They distilled Gemini's master logic into the smaller Gemma student. For long-time subscribers of Mind Your AI, the word distillation is not new. Yes, it's the same distillation strategy that made DeepSeek so disruptive. Google didn't just release one model. They released a family of 4 specialized versions designed for everyone from researchers to casual users. Firstly, the 31 billion dense model. This is the heavyweight. It fires every single neuron on every token, so you get the best reasoning. The 26 billion model is a model optimized for speed. It is a mixture of experts model with 128 experts, but it only activates 8 experts at a time. To understand mixture of experts, watch my video about DeepSeek where I explained what mixture of experts means in depth. This results in high-class intelligence at the speed of a tiny model. Then comes the E series, E4B and E2B. These are edge plays designed to run frontier-level logic on your phone or even Raspberry Pi hardware. And what's more interesting about these models is all of these models are multimodal, which means they can listen to your voice, they can look at an image and take action, or look at a video and take an action. Next up, we will see how I created a simple AI app that uses Gemma 4 hosted on my MacBook. The setup is almost too simple. Just go online, download Ollama, install it on your MacBook, and then open your terminal and type Ollama run on whatever model you need. If you have a 32 GB RAM, then choose the 31 billion model. Or if you have 16 GB RAM, grab the 26 billion parameter model. It is the mixture of experts version, but still it crushes all the benchmarks. There you go. Ollama is now serving a local AI on port 11434. Now, your MacBook is officially a private AI server. This means you don't need to worry about API keys and cost for your experimental AI projects. You can chat with this agent as I'm doing right now, or you can build any app. You can use this model to learn anything related to AI, you don't need an API key. You just use the Ollama AI that's available on your laptop. Now let's create something useful with this API. Anti-Gravity is Google's agent-first platform for vibe coding. Now I'm going to put in this prompt, create a simple tool that connects to my local Ollama Gemma 4 that lets me chat with the model and summarize any local file I drop in. Build a nice UI. Now, in under 30 seconds, the app is ready. No API keys, no latency, no data leaving this machine, and I can now upload my private documents and ideas directly into a model for free. Think about the implications of your privacy and cost. First off, your private data never touches a corporate server. Secondly, your monthly AI bill just dropped to zero. All you need is a MacBook. And finally, there is freedom. You are not at the mercy of internet outages. Even if you are in an island where there is no internet, you can still keep working on your AI app. And there are no rate limits. There is no updating the model in the background. Now, Google is running a Gemma for Good hackathon on Kaggle. Make sure to check that out and win from $10,000 to $200,000. If you have a great idea, there is no reason for you not to be on this hackathon. And that's all for today. Mind your AI or someone else will. See you on the next one.